Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on the shopping cart feature of the CMS distribution web store. Let's get started by adding some items to the shopping cart. First, I'll select the computing category and add the first 3 items available. Adding an item is simple. Just click the Add button. I'll add one of each item to demonstrate. After each addition, a confirmation message appears, and the cart at the top of the screen updates to reflect the total number of items. Price will appear for you when you have successfully signed in and have completed the steps for the shopping cart. For instance, when I add the first item, the cart shows 1 item and its corresponding price. Adding the second item updates the count to 2 items, with the total price recalculated, and the same happens with the third item. Now, let's click on My Cart. This menu provides a quick overview of your selected items. You can scroll through the list if you've added multiple products. Here, you can adjust item quantities by entering a new value and clicking Update. For example, if I change the quantity to 2 and click Update, the price per unit remains unchanged, but the subtotal adjusts accordingly. The same process can be repeated for any item in your cart. You also have the option to remove items. If you've added an item but later find a better alternative, you can easily remove the original item by clicking the Remove Item option. This menu is a handy way to manage your selections before proceeding further. When you're ready, click Proceed to Cart, which brings you to the main shopping cart page. This is the final step before checkout. On this screen, you'll see a detailed list of all your items. You can again adjust quantities, update the cart, or remove items as needed. For instance, if you decide to remove an item, the total updates reflect the change. You can also select multiple items to delete them at once or clear the entire cart with the Empty Cart option. Once you've reviewed your selections and are satisfied with the quantities, subtotal, and total cost, you're ready to proceed to the checkout. Now that we have our items in the cart and are ready to proceed, let's move on to checkout. The first page you'll see is the shipping reference page, where you can choose between having the items shipped to yourself or directly to the customer. If you want to ship the items to the customer, you can enter their address here. A short form will appear, the required fields *, which must be filled in. In the next tutorial, which is known as the checkout process, we will explain further details on the checkout process, delivery dates and more. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use the shopping cart feature on the CMS distribution web store.